Hi everyone, I'm Christa, teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer, and welcome to my video talking about crystal and gemstone pyramids. So having a crystal pyramid in your crystal collection is definitely worth having. So the pyramids are cut into the pyramid shape. They come in many different types of crystals and gemstones. You can easily find them in crystal shops and online crystal shops as well. So I want to show you two examples of crystal pyramids and then talk about what the pyramid shape can do in terms of crystal healing. So I really love crystal pyramids. So let me show you this one that I have. So this one is lapis lazuli. So really beautiful crystal pyramid here. Okay, there we go. And then I have another one to show you. A beautiful rose quartz one as well. So I have this beautiful rose quartz pyramid here. It's a nice one. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the pyramid being the stone being cut in this shape and its beautiful healing power and what it can do in terms of crystal healing. So if you have a fascination with the great pyramids of Egypt, then having a crystal pyramid can also connect you to the healing energy of the great pyramids. Now, some people believe that the great pyramids have a beautiful healing energy and that they contain healing power. So this beautiful healing power we can harness in crystal pyramids and gemstone pyramids. So when the stone is cut into the pyramid shape, okay, it has a very solid base, okay, so 4 sides here. The number 4 in terms of crystal healing really represents having a solid base energy. It adds wonderful grounding energy. It's very stable. So anything that you want to create in your life and build a stable foundation on, if you're building money and finances, if you're creating a solid, stable foundation for career and you want to build upon career, or creating stability in relationships and building upon that energy to create good relationships, or building good health for yourself, or also building a garden, so creating a nice strong foundation for a garden to build upon that, allowing the plants to grow. Even if you're building a following on social media, the pyramid energy can help you with that, because that good energy of the base helps you to create a good solid base to then nourish and to allow that to grow and develop. So growing and developing finances, good relationships, good friendships, money, career, anything that you want to really have that stable base and grow upon. And also this is longevity energy too. Like when you think about the great pyramids in Egypt, they've been around for a long time. They're stable, it's grounded, it's been there, it's going to be there for a long time, yet to come. So when you are working with pyramid energies of these crystals to grow money, grow relationships, you're creating it over a long period of time so that it is stable, so that relationships are stable over a long period of time. Your career is stable over a long period of time. Your relationships are stable over a long period of time. So this is really good to help you create that. Okay, so it's got really good longevity energy associated with it, so that things last over a long period of time and are long lasting. Now, when we look at the apex of the pyramid, so the point, okay, that the crystal pyramid shape takes all of the energy, so energy goes into the base of the pyramid and it goes into the pyramid. The crystal and the gemstone will amplify that energy, create good healing energy, and then that energy is sent out from the apex. Okay, so the energy goes in through the bottom of the pyramid, and then the pyramid creates good healing energy there, and then it's transmitted through the point, the apex. And that can transmit the beautiful healing energies into the universe to manifest your goals, to help you to create the goals, and also help to build your goals, to manifest them and create good success there. Also with these pyramids, now energy does go in through the bottom of it. So negative energy that could be in the room, okay, so if you're in a room where there could be negative energy there, people emoting negative emotions in the space or having stress states in the space, that energy, that negative energy energy will get sucked into the bottom of the pyramid, okay? And then the stone and the pyramid shape working together will transform that negative energy into healing energy, into light, into love, and that healing energy will be then sent out through the apex of the pyramid into the room and fill the room with that healing energy to raise the vibration of the room. Oh my gosh, like, isn't that wonderful? So if you live with people who might be grumpy, okay, and going through stress, okay, it happens, we're human, we're going to have emotions, we're going to have stress dates, or maybe you have been going through, some tough times and have stress, and you want to help the energy of your room to have a better, bright vibration and cleanse that negative energy from the room, either from yourself or from other people. You can place these beautiful crystal pyramids around the room, or even just work with one of them, and that pyramid will absorb that energy, suck it into the bottom, transform it, transmute it into healing energy, and send it back out into the space. Even if you work in an office environment, you could place a pyramid crystal on your desk and let it do its healing work to cleanse out stress states and negative emotions from that space as well. So you can use it for any environment. I even had a family member who was in the hospital, and I placed one of these crystal pyramids in their room to release that negative energy in the space and fill the space with healing energy, which is more conducive to healing, because when negative energies are building up in a space, then that can detract from healing. So we can work with these in lots of good ways, okay? Also, these crystal pyramids can also help to cleanse the chakras. So the chakras sometimes can get congested with stress states and negative emotions, and then they don't function very well. And over time, if they're not cleansed, that can affect our emotional state, bringing our emotions down. That can affect our mental state, bringing our mental energies down, and also physical energy and physical health as well. It can impact that in not such a good way. So working with the crystal pyramids can help to release that. So we can work with this to cleanse chakras, okay? So that the energy congestion from the chakra, those negative emotions and stress, the pyramid will suck that in. And then once we finish cleansing the pyramid, remember, it transforms that negative energy into healing energy. Then we can turn the pyramid the other way so that the point is pointing to the chakra and transmit healing energy back into the chakra to stabilize it, because remember, pyramid energy is very stable, to stabilize that chakra and to also grow the health of that chakra and restoring good balance there. Pyramids are also very balanced in terms of their energy. They take anything that is disharmonic and transform that into harmonic energy, into balanced energy. So we can work with it in that way. And then you can also work with the pyramid energy to also energize food, water. You can also energize like essential oils, herbal remedies that you work with to empower that. So for instance, let's say I wanted to empower my bracelet with the pyramid energy. I could place the pyramid on a table and I could place the jewelry on it like so and let it charge up like that. Okay, so I can definitely let it charge. And then once it charges, you just let this sit for a couple of hours. You can take it off and then put the jewelry on, and then it has the pyramid energy of it. And then also, depending on what gemstone or crystal the pyramid is made out of, it will also absorb some of the healing energies of that. So that this bracelet will have some healing energy of lapis lazuli as well as the pyramid energy. I can't carry this pyramid energy, like this pyramid is kind of heavy, it's pointy, it's sharp. I can't easily put this in my pocket and walk around, doing my daily activities or working with that. But I can charge the bracelet up with that pyramid energy and then wear the bracelet to also give me that good energy there. Also, you can charge water and food with that beautiful pyramid energy as well, and infuse that healing energy there, and then drink the water, and then you can also absorb that beautiful healing energy and take it into the body. And if you work with herbal remedies or essential oils and you like to work with those, you can infuse that with pyramid energy to strengthen the healing qualities of the essential oil or the herbal remedy or the vitamin supplement that you are taking. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so if you want to, let's say, energize your water. So I've got water here. I have some fruit in the water. I have orange and apple in here. What I would do is take the pyramid, and I would speak a healing intention to the pyramid to speak the healing effect that I would like to achieve with it. So close your eyes, take a nice deep breath in, and exhale. And I would say, thank you, pyramid power, for infusing your healing energy into my water to promote good health. In full faith, so be it. Okay, then I would take the glass of water and hold the pyramid underneath, okay, just like so. And then what I would do is move the stone in clockwise circles, just like this, nice and slow. So as I'm looking at the pyramid, I'm going clockwise for the direction that I'm looking at it. And the pyramid, through the apex, is going to transmit that healing energy into my water. Okay, and it doesn't take a lot to do that. And there you go. And then I can drink the water. Cheers. And then I can absorb that beautiful healing energy into my body. Okay, so that's a nice way to do it. And then that will create an inner state of harmony and balance for me. So if I was grumpy or irritable or sad or anxious and I drink that beautiful pyramid infused water, then that restores harmony to me. It stabilizes my emotions, it stabilizes my mood, it stabilizes my mental state and restores that inner harmony so that my emotions are uplifted to a brighter state, my mental energy is uplifted to more positive thoughts, and infusing me with good energy to complete everything that I need to do today. All right, so there you have it. So I would like to hear from all of you. Do you have a crystal or gemstone pyramid in your crystal collection? Please write in the comments below yes or no. If you do have a crystal pyramid, I would like to know what crystal or gemstone is your pyramid. How many pyramids do you have in your crystal collection? I would love to know. So please write those comments in the comments below. And it's so nice to know what we have in our crystal collections. I think it's really nice to share that information, so please share your comments there. If you would like to go deeper into the world of crystal healing, I do offer live and interactive online crystal healing classes, and I do run those monthly on Zoom. So to check out my class schedule, you can go to my website, learncrystalhealing.com, or to check out any other classes that I also offer, you can go to crystallyn.ca. So thank you so much for watching. Lots of love, light, and blessings to you, and may you work with your crystal pyramids in a beautiful way and harness that healing power of the pyramid. All right, namaste.